Welcome back. Today's problem involves compounding capsules. The morning rush at Riverbend Children's Hospital has left the satellite pharmacy short-stocked. Dr. Wen just phoned in an urgent order for tiny 5 mg capsules of anti-seize, a highly potent anticonvulsant powder for a 12-year-old patient scheduled to enter the OR in 2 hours. Inventory shows only 500 mg of pure anti-seize left and 2.7 gram of lactose sitting in the clean hood. Because the dose is so small, the pharmacist on duty will first prepare a 1:9 geometric dilution. That is, every 10 parts of the mixed powder will contain 1 part active drug and 9 parts lactose, resulting in a 10% drug. Your mission is, using nothing but the drug powder and lactose on hand, what is the greatest number of 5 mg anti-seize capsules you can compound for the surgical team? A, 54 capsules, B, 60 capsules, C, 90 capsules, or D, 100 capsules. Please pause this video and see if you can solve this problem. Now you might be tempted to say, if we need to get 5 mg capsules and we have 500 mg, so you might be tempted to say 500 mg divided by 5 mg will result in 100 capsules, which is choice D. Now this might be correct if you have enough lactose, but if you don't have enough lactose, you have to be careful. You may not be able to use all of the anti-seize powder that you have on hand. So what you want to do first is to see how much each part is. So if you want to have a 1:9 part, and 1 part is the anti-seize and the 9 is lactose. First of all, for the lactose, we have 2.7 grams on hand, and we have 500 mg of the drug. I'm just going to call it drug. Now, because this is in milligram, it's best to convert your lactose to milligram. So essentially, this is easy conversion. So this is 2,700 milligram. So there are 1,000 milligram in 1 gram. Now you can calculate each part. So it's easier to say, if you want 9 parts of lactose, if you just divide this by 9, you basically see how many milligrams are in 1 part. So you say 2,700 milligram divided by 9, and you should get 300 milligram. So essentially, because 1 part equals 300 milligram, you multiply by 9, so 9 part is 2,700 milligrams. So that way we use all of the lactose, which means that you can only use up to 300 milligram of your drug. So there will be, so of the 500 milligram of the drug that you have, you can only use 300 milligram. So that's important. So then you can say, so you know how at the beginning we said 500 milligram divided by 5 milligram. So now you say, since we only can use 300 milligram of the drug, we're gonna divide by 5 milligram, because that's how much we want in each capsule, and that will give you 60 as the correct answer. So you can make up to 60 capsules using this formula. The key takeaway with this problem is that when a diluent is limited, the number of capsules depends on the component in the shortest supply, here lactose. So a quick 500 milligram divided by 5 milligram equals 100 overlooks this bottleneck, whereas a full material balance approach reveals the real maximum of 60 capsules. If this problem helped you, make sure to like and subscribe, and until next time, take care.